Welcome back to the Old Barn on Ann Street. Today is a special edition because I want to talk to you about some amazing things that are happening here in Shelburne, Nova Scotia. We're here in Janet's Pottery Studio. Let's see what she's up to. So Jan, tell us what you're up to today.
I am making a bowl, and it's for our Empty Bowls fundraiser here in Shelburne. So there's a worldwide initiative called Empty Bowls, and we have so many amazing potters here in our little town. So we're all working together. We make a bunch of bowls, and we kind of donate all of that. Then there's restaurants in town that are making a bunch of soup, and they're donating that. There's a baker in town who's making some dinner rolls, and she's donating that. And so we sell tickets. They're $30 a ticket, and you come and you get your pottery bowl, you get some soup, you get a roll, and all of the money goes to charity. So it's either we're dividing it equally between the Shelburne Loyalist Food Bank and Our House Youth Center here in town. They do amazing stuff for our community, and that's how it works.
When and where is it?
It's going to be on October 5th, and it's right down here at Guildhall, where our Guildhall market is every Sunday, but this will be on a Saturday. So it's a familiar place. We're all outdoors. It's a great time for community, just to be together and to help one another out.
And what does somebody do if they want to purchase one of the bowls?
If you want to buy a ticket, if you want a bowl, you have to get a ticket. So if you want the ticket, you can buy one here at my studio at 15 Ann Street, or at Studio 135 at 135 Water Street, or at the Guildhall Market on Sunday, although you have to be warned, we might only have 35, 40 tickets left out of a little over 200. So people have already been super supportive, and if you want one, you better hurry up.
That is an amazing initiative. Thank you to Janet and the other great potters here in Shelburne, Nova Scotia for this amazing initiative. This is a time of the year when there's extra stress and pressure on places like the food bank and the other community organizations. So I would encourage you to make a donation. If you're too far away or you can't come to this event, or if they sell out of the tickets, I encourage you to make an online donation. You won't get a bowl, but 100% of your donation will go directly to the Empty Bowls initiative. Now, they don't have an ability to donate directly to Empty Bowls online, so if you'd like to give, you can send, if you're here in Canada, you can send me an e-transfer to my email address, or if you're in the States, you can send a donation to my PayPal account, and we will update you on how much money has been raised, and we'll make sure 100% of that gets to this amazing initiative. So thank you so much. This is a great time of the year also for other reasons here in Shelburne. Thanksgiving is one of the exciting times of the year, and let me show you why. Let's go back to last year and show you one of the exciting events that happened this time last year. One of the things Janet and I really love about our house and our barn isn't just that they exist, but it's where they exist in this beautiful town known as Shelburne, Nova Scotia. And today is a big day in town. It's the Pumpkin Regatta Day. Every October, usually on Canadian Thanksgiving weekend, and for those of you who don't know, Canadian Thanksgiving is the second Monday of October, and usually on that weekend is when we have this Pumpkin Regatta, but because there was a hurricane, it was pushed back a week, and but it's still exciting. All kinds of people in town. Let me show you what's going on, okay? I can't believe you can grow pumpkins that big, let alone, float them in the harbor. But that's an exciting, fun race, fun regatta here that happens every year around Canadian Thanksgiving. But next week, we're going to turn our attention to more work here in the barn. In fact, we're going to do some work in this very room here in Janet's studio. So here's a clip from next week. I hope you enjoy this. Thanks for joining us for this week's episode of the Old Barn on Ann Street. Why not click on the portrait of the barn and become one of our subscribers? We would love to add you to our subscriber family. And until then, we'll see you next week.